at me. I'll get out of there because that looks crazy.
We're on a beautiful trail. Are we on a trail? Or are we just going up a street?
You'll see.
Uh-oh, I thought this was a good trail. I don't know, but we'll see. Look at that sun coming down. Gotta love that scenery. Feel like I'm in the forest. Look at this view. Amanda, right above where the sun is, you see it right there? The camera's capturing it all too.
I'll have to capture that.
This is what I love. Oh, look at that little barn down there.
Oh, yeah, stand right here. Yep.
Today is a beautiful day. Today is a beautiful day to be alive. When you're having those difficult times, you just look out here. Life goes by like that. Oh, look at the tractor down there. So take a little drive wherever you can. Take a 5-minute walk. Just look around. This is my happy place. I love beaches too. I wouldn't mind to be right on the sandy beach, but I'll take this for now. Oh, the sun in the sky. Oh my Lord, this view. This view is so pretty. Here we go up the hill. Okay guys, I know it doesn't look steep, but it's steep. Whew. Feel it in the calves and the thighs. We got this. You're gonna see the hill down there. You see that? Beautiful.